Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a text logo in the Canva. So there is the different type of creating logo. So open your Canva on your laptop or on the mobile. So in this video we will discuss how you can simply create a text logo. Click on the create a design and go to the logos from here. And from here you have to go to the text because we are working on the text logo. And you will see different text are appear here. So better you have a pro version of the Canva, so you can make an amazing thing. So we can simply select this and drag it. So you can edit Ferrari, adjust it and also position it. Now go back and you can select this one, add it, edit it, create it from here. Course. So you can create a text logo this way on the Canva. Now you can simply click on the download and download it from here. So this is the procedure to create a text logo on the Canva. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.